So hello friends, today I will teach you how to make a program in Scilab, rather in Sinx, not in console window. This is Sinx, and in this Sinx we'll make a simple program, and with that program we'll plot a function that is y equal to sine of x. So let's start. Let us start with some step function. Let us say h is a step function with 0.01 step size, and let us assign a array that is x equals to, starting from initial digit, let us say 0, with the step size of h, that is h, and let us say that our last point is let us say 5, and we'll close it. So okay, here we'll use simple colon, simple semicolon, okay, and we'll write function y equals to sine of this x, okay, and then we'll display it with the display command display of y. So this is a function. Let us save it, file, and save as with some name. Let us say that is called it as sine of x, okay, sine of x, and the extension is .sci, and we'll save it, and let's play it. These are the value, and I think the graph has not been plotted. Okay, with the display command. Okay, so this is just a display command. We have to plot it. Okay, we have to plot it. So we'll use plot of this x comma this y. Let us see how the graph looks like. Okay, so this is our graph for y equal to sine of x. So this is our graph for y equal to sine of x. We can adjust the width of this graph by using simple comma in single inverted commas, line width, comma, and the dimension or the width of this graph, let us say 3. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see here the width has increased. If we'll put a 4 over here, then again the width will increase. You can also change the color by simply putting like this in inverted commas, single inverted commas. Let us say we'll take the color red, and then again we'll run it. So you can see here the color has converted into red color. So this is not a full wave. So for this full wave, let us say the distance, that is this array, that is the displacement array, which is in the x-axis, goes up to 10, and then we'll run it. So you can see here this is the sine wave, and similarly you can create a cos wave out here. Just type cos and then you will run. So you can see this is the cos wave. Let us put it in green color. G is for green color, and this is my cos wave, and this is my sine wave. Red one is my sine wave, and this green color is my cos wave. So this was a simple program which showed you how to plot cos function and sine function with a step size of 0.01. This you can, if you put this as simple 0.1, then you can see what will happen. Let's close it and then again play. Okay, so here also the graph is quite good, but if you take the step size very big, let us say 1, then let's see what will happen. You can see over here the distortions are here. We can see it with the color, let us say red color, and here you can see these are the distortions. There is a breakage, or there is not a continuous flow of this diagram. This is not a continuous flow. This is a discontinuous flow of the diagram, and so this step size plays a vital role for making this diagram. So more small or very small is the step size, you can get a very cool diagram over here. Let's again plot the cos function. So this is my cos function. So this was a very simple program, and let us put in the legends over here. How you can put the legend? You simply have to click, this is red color, you have to click over here and then right click, then legend, and then insert, and in the insert you can write that this is our cos wave. So this was my cos of x function, so okay. So I think there's some problem in my Scilab with this legend, but if you install you can find that you can put in the legends over here. So there was problem in this my Scilab, I think it is some bit old, but you can put by this method. So let's try to put label. I think label we can put. Let us say this is x-axis, so x, okay, you can see here the legends are coming, that is x has come, and let us label this y-axis as cos of x, okay, cos of this function x. So by entering you can see here the cos of x function has come. The size of this cos of x is very small, so let us increase it. So how? By edit, I think if it is working then I can show you. Axis property, you have to go to axis properties. If it will open then I can show you. I don't think it is opening, but from this edit and from this axis properties you can adjust the size of this cos of x and this x. So this was a simple method by which you can plot this cos of x, and let's plot some another function. Let us say, okay, axis editor is opening now, so I will minimize it, I don't want it right now. So let us put a plus, let us put a sign over here. This is my sine function. Let's see how the function looks like. So this is the, let's change the color into green or any color you want. So this is my sine of x plus cos of x function, and this red one is my simply cos of x function. So by increasing the array size, array dimension, let us say to 50, let's see how the diagram looks like. So this is how the diagram for sine of x plus cos of x looks like for an array size of 0 to 50 with a step size of h, that is 0.01. So there are basically two commands over here, that is disp by. From this display command you can get the number output number in this console window, and from this plot command you can get out the your diagram. Okay, so this was it. Thanks a lot. Bye.